Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ROG Phone 8 Pro and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's start with the quicker way to check the serial number via the secret code. So we have to open the dialer and enter the code, which is *##06#. And as you can see at the bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way through the settings, which will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work. So let's enter the settings, and now we have to okay, let me quickly go back to the general settings, of course, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now we have to tap on About Phone. Scroll down just a little bit, just to find this section under the highlighted positions. Simply tap on the status, and as you can see, the serial number is almost at the very bottom of this list. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.